Hey guys, welcome to Tenorshare. The iPhone SE series has always been Apple's budget king, but with more and more leaks about the iPhone SE 4, it seems its launch is just around the corner. So, what's new? Let's dive in. Tim Cook recently tweeted that a new family member will arrive on February 19. Originally, the iPhone SE 4 was rumored to launch earlier this month, but it looks like Apple has locked in this date for the big reveal. I've rounded up some of the biggest expected upgrades for the iPhone SE 4. All new designs say goodbye to the iPhone 8 look and hello to an iPhone 14 style full-screen design, and Touch ID will be upgraded to Face ID. It's rumored to be powered by the A18 chip, which means SE 4 users will be able to use Apple Intelligence. A larger body means a bigger battery, making this the longest-lasting SE ever. Apple's first in-house 5G modem. If true, this could be a game-changer for speed and efficiency. Sounds like a solid upgrade, right? If all these upgrades sound exciting, now it's time to talk about the price. Current rumors suggest it could start at $499. Would you pay that for the iPhone SE 4? Is this price reasonable for what you're getting, or is it creeping a little too close to older flagship models? Let me know in the comments, how much would you be willing to pay? The iPhone SE 4 could be Apple's best budget phone yet, or it could be too pricey to truly stay budget-friendly. If Apple nails the balance, this could be a game changer. This is Tenorshare. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and come along in anticipation of new Apple products. See you next time.